Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Meghalaya today and take part in a roadshow in Shillong. Addressing the post-budget webinar on agriculture and cooperative today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the goal of complete development cannot be achieved until the challenges related to agriculture sector are eliminated. First G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governors meeting began in Bengaluru on Friday with opening remarks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that bringing permanent peace to Nagaland is the aim of his government. United Nations General Assembly has passed a resolution on the need to reach comprehensive, just and lasting peace in Ukraine.